The assessment care team consists of multiple layers of student intervention strategies and a crisis management network. Moderate student needs are on the top. Our first line of defense is faculty and staff. Their goal is to diffuse any needs before they escalate. Moderate student needs would be referred to counseling services or the Student Support Center. The EARS program can evaluate and provide more intensive assistance as the student's needs begin to elevate. The severe level is usually accompanied by student conduct incidences and a history of problems on campus. The MCC Police Department takes over for students who reach the extreme level. The rest of the presentation will delve deeper into student behaviors and needs at each level and the care teams that are available to support faculty, staff, and students. Remember, the core function of ACT is early intervention and behavioral assessment with the hope of managing at-risk behaviors. In the NaBITA model, there are two main scales of assessment: harm to self and harm to others. There is a NaBITA threat assessment rubric on the NaBITA website that you can use to determine the generalized level of threat that a student's behavior poses. There are 21 questions to answer. Each question is based on the level of threat in the answer of the previous question. At the end, you get a level of threat assessment in harm to self and harm to others, which averages out in the middle scale to a generalized risk. The scale on this slide is based on levels of generalized risk. We're going to start at the bottom, first line of responders. Remember, the goal is to diffuse at the lowest level. Faculty and staff are considered first responders because they have frequent interactions with students and they're likely to see concerning behaviors. A simple assessment based on Dori DiPietro's research could provide insight into the student's behavior. Student Life has resources for students who are hungry, homeless, needing transportation, etc. Tutoring services could provide early academic intervention. Disability services, veterans services, career services are other areas for special populations. The MCC Counseling Center is another support service in the moderate level of the NaBITA model. I'd like to introduce Dr. Krista Adams, Chair of the MCC Counseling Center, to provide a brief overview of the services they offer students who have moderate need on the risk assessment scale.
Thank you, Cindy. The Mesa Community College's counseling department provides a variety of services to our students and faculty. First off, we provide educational planning and career counseling. That is, if the student does not know what their field of interest is, or what their major might be, or what career pathway they would take. They could make an appointment and come in to see a counselor for career services. We also offer personal counseling. That is, if students have issues, challenges, problems that are impeding their academic growth and success, they can come in and discuss this with a counselor, and we will support and help them to problem solve and to attain academic and personal and career success. Okay, we also offer academic counseling in the sense that if they're doing everything that they know how, and they're still not succeeding in a class and they need somebody to come and troubleshoot all their study skills, etc., to find out if there is perhaps a referral in order or what we can do to support them. We offer academic counseling. Okay, we also have alcohol and other drug abuse prevention services and referral services in that area. We offer consultation for faculty and staff regarding student issues and their professional issues. If it's outside of the hours of our services, which in the fall is 8 to 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Fridays. So that's for fall and spring semester. And our summer hours are Monday through Thursday, 7 in the morning till 6 in the evening. Not Fridays.